Hi guys, this is Raymond again and welcome dito sa Noy Finance. So just recently lang si HSBC nag-launch siya ng bagong credit card called HSBC Live Plus, which is basically a much more complete cashback card compared kay HSBC Gold and Platinum. Looks like sa HSBC talagang i-discontinue niya na si HSBC Gold and HSBC Platinum, which are both cashback credit cards, at ipapalit niya tong si HSBC Live Plus. I even received a text message from HSBC na yung aking HSBC Platinum will be automatically replaced by HSBC Live Plus by October. At a glance, when it comes to feature, talagang better tong credit card na to compared dun sa dalawa, kasi yung dalawa only has 5% cashback when it comes to dining. For HSBC Live Plus, it's 8%. Pero syempre, alam naman natin na yung mga cashback credit cards, minsan maraming mga tinatago yan. So, yan yung titingnan nating mabuti sa video na to if this credit card is a really good cashback credit card. Pero bago natin simulan, kung gusto mo yung mga ganitong klase ng videos about personal finance, investment, credit cards, I hope you can consider subscribing and of course, click the bell icon para ma-notify ka pag meron tayong mga bagong videos. Okay, so first of all, no, pag-usapan muna natin yung cashback na binibigay nitong credit card na to. No? For this credit card, this gives a whopping 8% rebate on dining, not only in the Philippines but also for select restaurants around Asia. Actually, meron siyang sariling Live Plus dining program, which is a collection of restaurants in the Philippines and other Asian countries na hindi ka lang pwede makakuha ng rebates but a lot of discounts as well. You can also get 5% rebate pagdating sa shopping and also sa entertainment. So kasama na dyan yung mga online shopping websites and yung mga streaming platforms. Ang maganda sa credit card na to is meron din siyang 2% rebate pagdating sa mga fast food and at the same time sa mga food delivery transactions. And lastly, for other qualified transactions, you can still earn 0.2% rebate. Well, first of all, 8% is unheard of, no? So, ang pinakamataas na alam kong cashback is 6%. Tapos, meron pa silang 2% pagdating sa mga food delivery transactions, which most cashback credit cards hindi pa yan talaga kino-cover. But then again, sabi ko nga before, no, it's normal for a cashback credit card na bago mo makuha yung full benefits doon, meron ka mga criteria na kailangan ma-meet muna. Another thing is the cap or the limit na pwedeng mo makuha sa rebate unless yung credit card mo is Union Bank Platinum Mastercard na walang limit pagdating sa nakukuwang rebates. Good thing na lang din, no, that for this credit card, ang cap niya is 1,250 per month or 15,000 pesos annual saving. So compared sa normal or sa usual na cap or limit ng cashback credit cards, which is 1,000 pesos. Take note lang din guys, no, that this credit card also earn cashback sa mga Caltex transactions. So iba pa yung limit nun, which is 600 pesos. Kaya lang sabi ko nga, merong criteria na kailangan mo munang ma-meet, which for this credit card, it's spending at least 10,000 pesos per statement cycle para makuha mo yung full rebate. Well, if I'm not mistaken, wala naman kasing ganun before sa HSBC Gold and Platinum. So, yun nga lang, 5% rebate tapos nakakap at 1,000 pesos. Well, siguro isa na lang ding magandang bagay for this credit card is that hindi ka na mag-iisip ng kung ano-ano pang criteria. Just spend 10,000 per month to get the full rebate. Unlike yung ibang cashback kasi ang dami pang mga kailangan tandaan bago mo makuha yung rebate. And kung interested ka mag-apply for this credit card, good news, no? Kasi ngayon meron silang welcome gift that you can get a Moment Group EGCs worth 6,000 pesos when you apply for this credit card until December 31. All you need to do is spend 18,000 pesos for 60 days from the card delivery date. Then you can get a Moment Group EGC worth 6,000 pesos that you can use sa mga restaurants katulad ng Manam, 8 Cuts, Uma, Din Tai Fung, Mo Cookies, The Mess Hall, and iba pa. And para doon naman sa inyo na nakatira outside Greater Manila area and Baguio area where there are no Moment Group branches, you can choose the Giveaway Universal EGC instead. Well, para sa akin, no, this credit card is a really solid cashback credit card just for the fact na ang taas nung rebate, no, 8%, okay, and yung cap niya is mas mataas din ng konti compared dun sa normal cap. Actually, kahit sabihin natin 1,000 per month, 1,250 per month yan, at the end of the day, for the whole year, malaki pa rin yan, naabot pa rin yan ng mga 10 to 15,000 peso savings and still, it has value. Siguro ang medyo hindi ko lang talaga gusto dito sa credit card na to is the fact that you have to spend at least 10,000 pesos para makuha yung full rebate for this credit card, no? Kasi nga, yung HSBC Gold and HSBC Platinum before, wala naman silang ganon. So if you have an HSBC Platinum, so katulad ko, makakatanggap ka rin siguro ng message that you will be upgraded or papalitan yung credit card mo sa HSBC Live Plus. But if you don't have a credit card of HSBC Platinum and you're interested to apply for an HSBC credit card, hindi lang ito, no, katulad din ng Red Mastercard, then check the description below para syempre yung link natin dyan, merong mga welcome gift kang makukuha. And that's it guys, I hope nagustuhan nyo tong ating credit card review for HSBC Live Plus. And kung nagustuhan nyo, I hope you, of course, click the like button and of course, share this to your friends para syempre malaman din nila yung about this credit card. Again, this is Raymond from Noy Finance and I'll see you in the next video.